I'm Matt Hillebrand, one of the principals here at Don's Appliances, joined by our corporate chef, Anthony Marino. And we're going to talk more about our anniversary sale, our 50th anniversary sale.
50th anniversary. Rolling through this, man. It just, there's so many sales, so many promos, so much going on. I mean, we got to let you guys in on the secret. You know, you guys are hearing it here first. It's going to be amazing. So, Matt, just talk about some of the stuff that we're offering.
Yeah, so really what we're going to touch upon, you know, a couple of the sneak peek, high profile deals that we're going to be offering. 12 months same as cash. That is always a great promotion. We're going to continue that for our anniversary sale. So essentially what that means is that you need to buy your appliances. You have 1 year to pay for them. It will be monthly payments. The date on that promotion is going to run for our anniversary sale, April 7th through the 17th.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's going to be a primary cornerstone of the anniversry sale. But one of the biggest things that I think is really cool,
huge,
right?
Yeah.
Our dishwasher promotion, and with that, any dishwasher purchased during our anniversary sale, and this is only during
7th to the 17th, guys.
Exactly.
April.
2021.
Yeah.
Got to make sure we talk about that.
It's all fine print right there.
That's it.
Yeah.
You know, we need to make sure that if you need a dishwasher, that's the time you want to buy it, because
Pull the trigger. Right?
any dishwasher in stock will receive free delivery and installation.
Huge.
Okay, so that's over $175 value.
Right off the bat.
Right off the bat. So if you purchase a dishwasher from Don's Appliances, Dugan's Appliance up in Erie, you know, purchase it from our website, donsappliances.com. That is, and you have to purchase it during the anniversary time. Again, you're going to get free delivery and installation.
So guys, if you're looking at your dishwasher now, you know, the handle's falling off, the buttons don't look right, you know what I mean? Mark it on your calendar for this, because this is one of the best dishwasher promos ever. Free installation, you know, free delivery. I mean, let alone the delivery. Delivery's like, you know, super, but the extra step, installation, got to be 50.
Yeah, it's very, very impressive deal. The other top-notch deal we have going is we've got a 4-piece kitchen package that you're going to get a $100 mail-in rebate on, but you're also going to get a free dishwasher with that. So if you're thinking, you know what, I need to replace my range, my dishwasher, you might as well replace your microwave, and you might as well look at replacing your refrigerator.
Keep all the handles matching, keep all the stainless looking the same way. I mean, the thing about that is, I mean, that's everybody has a 4-piece kitchen package. You know
Correct,
what I mean?
and that's brand specific though. So we're talking Whirlpool brand, we're talking KitchenAid brand, we're talking Maytag brand, we're talking LG, GE, and Beko, which has become a new hot brand from Eastern Europe.
It's sweet. I tell you what, that's a heck of a lineup, man. That covers everybody's base too, especially budget-wise. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You know, that covers, you know, from the, you know, introductory to, you know, the high to mid-end. I mean, you do have a world of opportunity there and a world of product too. You know, you got some differences in each one. The Whirlpool and the KitchenAid, you know, have some differences. The LG, you know, the Beko. So you have, you know, a lot of, you know, great technology, a lot of, you know, high-end finishes, a lot of good looks, you know, for a great price. I mean, it's a $100 mail-in rebate right off the bat.
Yeah, and one thing we want to make sure is you can't combine offers though, right?
Yeah, no.
So
Stays in-house.
if you do get that 4-piece KitchenAid package, you know, or Whirlpool or Maytag, you're going to get that dishwasher for free, but ultimately you'll have to pay for installation on that because you didn't buy the dishwasher. Yeah. So those are just some things that we want to make sure are fairly clear. And if you have more questions, our sales staff in each of our locations or go on our website for chat, we'll be able to clarify that for you.
But the golden rule though, the golden rule through all of this promo and all this sale is April 7th.
17th.
Yes. I mean, that's it. That's your golden rule. That's when the race starts. You know, that's when the red tape flies, and that's when it goes. So,
absolutely. You know. The other thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving away an LG full kitchen package. So be sure to go to our website, donsappliances.com.
Yeah.
You can learn more about that and make sure you enter to win that, because we're going to be announcing that on Friday, April 16th.
And guys, this is over a $3,000 value. I mean, this is, it just blows my mind. I can't even say this. We're giving away an LG full kitchen. Okay?
Yeah. So
somebody's getting a full kitchen.
on top of the great deals that we're going to already have, right? We're going to have great deals on all different product categories.
Yeah.
We've got the great dishwasher giveaway on installation, right? So we're going to be, with every dishwasher you purchase, we'll give you free installation. You know, we've got that 4-piece kitchen package with a $100 mail-in rebate and a free, I mean, I cannot explain. These are some of the greatest offers we've had in our 50-year history.
And you know, Matt and I, like before we did this, we were just walking around the warehouse looking at all the product. And I'm like, guys, we have a ton. I'm like, there's so much stuff. And Matt's like, we're gearing up for the sale. It's like, this is what it's all about. You know what I mean? We're walking through the road and he's like, sale stuff, sale stuff. This is gonna go. This gotta go. You know what I mean? There's just so many deals to be had, so much inventory. Tri-State's largest, we say it all the time, 2 warehouses full of, you know, great buys and, you know, 50th anniversary deals for everyone to have. So.
Yeah, and I can tell you that the box stores are not competing with mom and pop stores. I mean, we're a mom and pop, locally grown Pittsburgh business,
family
right?
owned and operated.
Second generation, my 4 brothers and I, our dad's still involved, but we are very proud of this business, and we've done everything we can to get the most amount of products at the best deals. So we're going to be offering that again during our anniversary sale, 50th anniversary. Give us a date again.
April 7th to the 17th, guys. Mark your calendars, set your reminders, use Amazon, use Alexa, use any of those voice-activated things to plug this in and say, you know, at 9 a.m. when we open, or, you know, at the chat, right when you click on April 7th, log in to get the deals, you know, log in, look at your kitchens, you know, see what you guys need, you know, say this is going, I might need this. Start a checklist, you know, and go right in there.
And the last thing we need to go over is we're still going to have our regular offering that we've been doing actually since late last year. So if you want a product same day, you can come pick it up at our warehouse. We'll give you a 10% off when you pick that up.
And that's a win-win for everybody. A lot of customers are doing that for things that, you know, even the dishwashers, the washers and dryers, things that they can hook up themselves, or, you know, they have a plumber, or they have someone in their family that's, you know, handy enough to do that. I mean, people take advantage of it, and it's 10% off. I mean, that's a huge savings.
Now,
right
with just going to the dishwasher real quick, you know, somebody may say, well, why would I want to pick up a dishwasher and only get 10% off when you will give me free installation on that dishwasher? And here's what I say to that. We're going to offer you 10% off if you pick up that dishwasher, but we're also going to give you $75 off of that dishwasher to have somebody else install it or you install it.
And it's a sweeter deal, and you get it the same day.
Absolutely.
You know?
So don't be afraid to do on our dishwasher promo. We still are going to offer that for pickup, and then we do offer 10% off other products that are picked up, you know, from our warehouse. So be sure to go to donsappliances.com to check out the anniversary dates, which are
50th anniversary, April 7th to the 17th.
Thanks.
Thank you.